Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show to you how are you going to pay your RCBC credit card billing statement via BDO Online. Okay, so first and foremost, you need to be logged in sa BDO Online. Here we go. Biometrics. And then of course, once you are logged in, all you need to do is to click the pay button here, pay bills. And once you are at pay bills, you can choose RCBC bank card peso. So once you click RCB bank card peso, this is where you're going to fill out your credit card number, subscriber account name, make sure that it is right, and then the product type. For the product type, make sure that you choose the correct RCBC credit card that you are using. Okay, so I am now done filling out the details that are required here. So for me, I'm using RCBC bank card master card, so you have to make sure that you're correct with that. And I'll be paying an amount of 520 pesos because that's my billing amount for last month. Okay, so let's go back. After you input the amount, you need to choose pay from. Select the account that you're going to use, the BDO account that you're going to use to pay the credit card bill. Then make sure to put some notes as an additional remarks and reference what did you pay. So this is for my August 2024 billing. So once done with that, you need to select pay. There you go. You can review it here. Okay, so once you are done reviewing it, you just have to select confirm. Once you are done confirming it, you just have to use your fingerprint or whatever security measures that you're going to use. For me, I'm using fingerprint. And once you are done with that, you will receive a notification up here, just a notification that you are already done paying the necessary amount. For me, I'm paid now. I'm gonna be saving this image here, and once done, that's it. Okay, usually 2 to 3 days it will already reflect to your RCBC credit card statement or online app.